everyone. In this session, you will learn about class and objects. So what is class? Class is a blueprint to create an object. And also it specifies the design of the object. For example, let's assume you are manufacturing a car. Before manufacturing a car, we need a design of the car. So once the car designing is done, you can manufacture a car from that design. Here, the design of the car is class and the object is car. So what is object? Object is nothing but an entity which has its own state and behavior. Is known as object. Here, state indicates the character of the object. For example, here car name, car color, car price, etc. And behavior indicates the functionality of the object. For example, the functions of the car, driving, reversing, braking, etc. We'll write a program on class and object in Spring Tool Suite 4 IDE. To create Java project, we'll click on this Create a Java project. We'll give name Java Class and Object Project. So click Finish. Once the project is created, JRE library files will be added to this project. Next, to create class, right click on Source folder. Here select Name and select Class. We'll give class name car. And also we'll select this public static void main method. Then click Finish. Now car.java file is created. Here class is a keyword and car is the class name. Here the first letter of the class name, it should be always capital letter. Now we'll write properties or attributes, nothing but state. That is int car underscore id is equal to 1, string car underscore name is equal to Rix, and double car underscore price is equal to 5 lakh. The data type of car ID is int and data type of car name is string and data type of car price is double. We'll make all these data members as public. So we'll write here public. Next we'll create an object in main method. How to create? By using new keyword. New with class name, that is car. Here new is the keyword is to create an object of car class. We'll store in object reference variable, that is car object is equal to new car. Next we'll call attributes or variables or data members through this object reference. So we'll write here print statement, that is system.out.println. So in this print statement we'll call all the attributes through object, that is object.car underscore id. Copy this and change here car underscore name and here car underscore price. So now we'll run this code. Here select Java application and click OK. And here is the output. Car ID is 1, car name is Ritz and car price is 5 lakh. Next we'll create a method, nothing but behavior void driving. So in this method we'll write one more print statement, that is system.out.println, and here we'll write driving. Now we'll call the method driving in main method through object.driving. Now let's run this code and here is the output. It is printing again car ID, car name, car price and driving. By observing this program, we can conclude that class is template for creating an object. And also object consists of its own state and behavior. Please subscribe to our channel, help us to grow.